Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today we have something exciting to unbox and review, and I'm thrilled to share with you the latest addition to our veterinary tools. We are from Vetpharma Biotechnology, Sri Lanka's leading veterinary medicine manufacturing company. Today, we have the Veterinary Ophthalmoscope from Vetpharma Biotechnology. In this video, we will unbox it, explore its features, and discuss how it can benefit veterinary doctors in their daily practice. Here is the box of the Veterinary Ophthalmoscope. As we open it, we can see the user manual, a storage case, and the ophthalmoscope itself. The storage case ensures that the ophthalmoscope remains protected and portable. Now, let's take a closer look at the ophthalmoscope. Here is the Veterinary Ophthalmoscope. It has a sleek and ergonomic design, making it comfortable to hold and easy to maneuver. The ophthalmoscope is lightweight, which is crucial for long examination sessions. It features an adjustable lens system that allows for precise focusing and magnification. Before we start, make sure you have two C-size batteries. The ophthalmoscope requires these batteries for power. Locate the battery compartment on the ophthalmoscope. It is usually located at the base or handle of the device. We have successfully unboxed and set up the veterinary ophthalmoscope. With this ophthalmoscope, veterinary doctors can detect conditions like cataracts, corneal ulcers, retinal diseases, and glaucoma at an early stage. Early detection leads to timely intervention and better outcomes for our furry patients. The portability of this ophthalmoscope also makes it convenient for on-site visits and remote clinics. Its user-friendly design ensures that even new users can quickly adapt to using it effectively. And that wraps up our unboxing and review of the Vetpharma Biotechnology Veterinary Ophthalmoscope. We hope you found this video informative and useful. If you're a veterinary doctor or clinic interested in incorporating this ophthalmoscope into your practice, be sure to check out our social medias or contact our team for more information.